Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. I got mail. DHL. That is so familiar. When I was in Beijing, we did so much of this. Actually, there's no need to keep this bag. Okay, I will cut open this bag. Made from recycled bottle, so it made from plastic bottle actually. It's like a chocolate cake. Gosh, so pretty, the packaging. Oh my. Wow, this is so slender, and this is size 30, 38, should be good. And these are made of plastic bottle, so you can wash it. You can go to the beach, and it's kind of elastic. Oh, I love it. I love this shape. I think one of the brand has a particular this kind of shape, but anyway, I will wear it. I love it. I love it. I don't care. I love it. Stylish, sustainable, step into conscious comfort. Oh, they give me a ruler. Oh, that is so good. 50 centimeter. Yeah. Oh my goodness. 1 meter is that long. Wow. With glasses and without glasses. So you with 6 plus. Thank you for helping our ocean and recycling 6 plastic water bottles, preventing them from breaking into millions of microplastic and harming marine life. So this is 6 plastic bottles. This is a comfortable one. Oh my goodness. This looks so fun. Oh, they are doing a good job. This is paper. This is paper, no plastic. This is paper. Everything is paper. And this is paper. And this is recycled plastic. It seems quite comfortable. You know, sometimes those plastic, the bottom of your feet, it just feels sticky. This seems quite breathable. Oh, that's a very smart. That's a very smart design. Smadone. Wow. That's interesting. Let me see. I think, you know, for a long time I did not buy shoes because I do not need shoes. Anyway, so this is a comfortable one, and this is a moody one. Different color, different. Okay, I am going to walk on it. Oh, this one I can also take it out so I can wash it. Seems. 你看好看吗？
是吗？
鞋子，妈妈的新鞋子，哦，就这样。送给我的。不好意思，我有一点点不好意思。Okay, step into a sustainable future. Let me try. Take a look. I hope this is the right size. Oh my goodness, exactly right size. Actually, when they ask what size I need, because I got it online, and this is a winner unboxing. Oh, that's comfortable. You know what I do not like is this part is too tight. Oh my gosh, $20 show my shoes, take off my socks. And without $20, I already take out my socks. Oh, this is so super duper comfortable. Oh my goodness. Wow, it's so comfortable. Wow, unbelievable. Okay, don't see my feet without. Oh my goodness, it's so comfortable. Even if it is tight, because it's elastic, so it's very comfortable. Oh, c'est à la mode. À la mode. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. Don't you like it? They have different kind of design, different kind of color. I think I have a lot of red color clothes, so get a pair of red. Should be interesting. And also I have a lot of blue. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, yo. I'm so happy. So happy. Bye bye, friends.